To improve your gaming experience in PUBG and reduce FPS drops, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you optimize your settings for better performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game. Go to the settings menu, select the graphics tab, and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and effects to improve performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers to enhance game performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing PUBG to run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, or others. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help improve performance. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to the control panel, select power options, and choose the high performance plan to ensure your system is running at its best while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PUBG gaming experience with fewer FPS drops. Enjoy your game.